They say if you're born in the Florida scrub, the scent of pine and damp earth is etched. I am a girl of the prayer, measured by the steady, unmoving ground beneath my boots and the tannin-stained rivers where the gators watch from the shadows. That is my stone. It is solid, predictable, and home. But the man I love has a soul made of salt. He didn't just want to see the river. He wanted to see the indigo emptiness of the deep sea, a place where the land disappears and you are at the mercy of the wind. When he bought the Morgan 51, he wasn't just buying a boat. He was buying a vessel for his dreams. I was a reluctant mariner. I didn't crave the square waves or the sickness that comes when the ground won't stay still. But I love the dreamer more than I fear the deep. So we packed our lives into mahogany lockers, lashed our fears to the deck, and set sail for a red brick fortress in the middle of a lonely ocean. This is the story of 3 generations leaving the safety of the woods to find out what happens when the stone meets the salt. It's a story of sickness and starlight, and the realization that sometimes you have to lose sight of the shore to find out who you really are. The lines are cast, the wind is up. Hold on tight.